Hello YouTube, I'm Aftab from DiGi and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you an app for photo editing which will finish the use of other photo editing apps because this one is a beast. Are you looking for a photo editing app that can do all your photo stuff? Yeah, then you're in the right place. Okay, so have you heard of Photoshop? Yeah, that's obvious, but there is Photoshop which is in the mobile phone, which is PicsArt. PicsArt is an app which is similar to the Photoshop. It's not like, full featured, but the features in Photoshop and PicsArt are mostly the same. It just depends on you how you make use of it. So you can do some really complex editing with PicsArt. You can make your YouTube thumbnails, you can do your Instagram photos, you can do your personal anything. You can even do some freelancing, like you ask someone that I can do editing for you and he gives you the offer. So that's really great. The problem nowadays is one app has one feature, the other does not have it. This app does not have this feature to make it fully featured. That's a big problem, but PicsArt is mostly full feature. You can do everything. There are layers, there are effects, there are everything, almost everything. You just give it a try, okay? That's really great. If you ask me, what do I use for editing? I use only PicsArt. No, nothing else. No Photoshop. Since I started using this, I do not use any other app. Yeah, that's true. So you just give it a try. It's free. That's really great. It's free. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.